Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for gym and fitness centers. Whether you are managing memberships, class fees, or personal training sessions, Infinitepay.io helps you handle payments securely and efficiently. So let's get started. First, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Navigate to the gym and fitness or payment section afterwards. This is where you can manage and process payments related to your gym or fitness center. To set up payment processing, integrate Infinitepay.io with your gym management or booking system. Follow the integration documentation or use the API provided by Infinitepay.io. Configure your payment options by linking your fitness center to Infinitepay.io. Set up payment methods such as credit debit cards and configure transaction settings to fit your business needs. Create and manage payment requests, invoices, or payment links for memberships, class fees, and personal training sessions through Infinitepay.io. You can even track and manage payments through the Infinitepay.io dashboard. You can even monitor payment status and address any issues that arise. Ensure that your payment system is compliant with financial regulations and provides secure transactions for your members and your clients. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for gym and fitness centers. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for your fitness related services. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.